Sometimes the glue that they use to hold the panels together causes this out, and that was what happened on this particular vehicle. There was I put a tool in there and was able to kind of push in and feel what it was, and it was a mound of the adhesive that they use to bond the panel. A lot of times this is what I'm working with when I come out for warranty work. You know, maybe quarter size, $half size damage.
Quite often I'm asked, how do you get to it? And right between the belt molding, the window, and the bracing is where I slide a tool in. It allows me to feel around until I touch the space and where the dent is. Constant readjustments are made to gain better sight and leverage. This will create a better opportunity for a complete repair. As for the dent, it was just in front of the smudge, so that worked out nice.
Hey, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate your time. I hope you got something from it. Have a good one.